Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
So what is your name?
My name is Bao.
Excellent. And how old are you, Balon?
I'm 12. I'm 30 years old.
13 years old. And what is your name?
My name is Fuan.
And how old are you, Fuan?
I'm 14 years old.
14 years old. And where do you live, Fuan?
I live in the apartment. Name is like hospital 103 in the road Milken Road. Yeah.
Good, excellent. And where do you live, Balon?
I live in Hadong District. No,
Good. And who do you live with?
I live in with my family. My family have 5 people. Me, my brother, and my 2 older sisters.
Excellent. And what about you? Who do you live with?
I live with my family. They are 4 people. I, my sister, my dad, and my mom. And right now, my dad is going to have a work in Vũng Tàu. So right now, I live with my mom and my sister.
Excellent, fantastic. Okay, so that brings us to part 2, okay, where I will ask both of you a different question, okay? So I will start with Baolong. So Baolong, can you tell me about a sport you like?
I think it's football. Because football is a kind of sport. Football I can play with many people, with my friends. The best sport I think is football.
Football, okay. So when do you like to play football?
You say
When do you like to play football?
I sometimes play on Saturday or Sunday because I can be at home and sometimes play at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Excellent. Okay, and my question for you is, so which time of year do you like the most?
I think it's winter because in the winter I can do the hot coffee for every day, and sometimes I can wear my favorite hoodie for school, and there's a Christmas too. And the Christmas is a best event for the children. I don't think I'm just a student, but it's still good for me. Yeah.
Nice, excellent. Okay, good guys. So that brings us on to part 3, where I want both of you to describe a picture. Okay. So this picture is for you, and this picture is for you. Okay. So I want you to look at the picture and tell me about what you can see. Who would like to go first?
Let me go first.
Okay.
I think in the picture task 1B show there is a family because I can see they are happy to have a breakfast, and the reason I think this is a breakfast time because I can see there's some bread and some potato soup and tomato soup, and I think this is a winter weather because I can see some snow at the outdoor, and I can see in the family they wear a sweater and a jacket. Also, I know that they are in the dining room because they are eating.
Nice, excellent. And what about you? What can you see in the photo?
The photo shows a boy attending a football match. His sofa, the TV show, 2 teams with blue and white, and they are playing football. In the background, maybe he stay in living room in the table, have the light and something
Nice. Okay, so that brings us to part 3, guys. Okay, so I am going to give you this picture. Okay, this is the part where I want you to talk about something together and have a conversation. Okay, so I will tell you about what you need to discuss. Okay, so a class is going on a day trip, walking in the mountains with their teacher. Here are some things that they could take with them. Talk together about the different things they could take with them and say which would be the most useful.
Do you think the umbrella is useful for the jeep?
Yes, because maybe in a mountain, maybe have rain, so they should take a mirror to go in the mountain.
How about chocolate? Do you think it's useful for the children for the jeep?
Yes, again.
Do you think chocolate is good for good and useful for the jeep?
Yes, because when they feel hungry, they will have chocolate to eat, and it's a good meal when will be.
Yeah. I would like the chocolate is the most useful thing. Do you agree with me? Or you like more than chocolate?
I think it's just because they take a lot chocolate to eat and they don't feel hungry.
Okay, so any more?
Yeah. So
Okay, so that brings us on to part 4, guys. Okay, so where again that I ask you both a question. Okay, Bao Long, I will start with you. Okay, so do you walk to school?
Yeah. I always walk to school at 6 p.m. in the morning. The way is so long, about 2 kilometers, and I work with my sister. When I work, I meet some neighbor, and they are walking to school too.
Why don't you drive to school?
Because I not have bicycle, and I think the way to school really dangerous.
Okay, and then my last question is for you. Okay, so I will ask you, when was the last time you went for a really long walk?
I think just in the last Sunday, because in the last Sunday I and with my classmate were having some picture for the last year we were studying together. I think it was good trip because it have my classmate and myself to know more about talking together, and we have some like eating with the road too, and it was a funny trip and happy trip too.
Excellent. Where did you go?
I go to like three places in my first in my school, second is in like in Thăng Long, like Thăng Long school in like it's the Thăng Long school is like kind of old, so it have a good place to have better picture. And the last day we go to home. Yeah, we go to home, have some like dinner, have some dinner together, and then we go home. Yeah.
Nice one, excellent. Okay, fantastic. That is the end of the speaking test. Thank you, boys.